Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 7 of account part 2, that is accounting standard, meaning and concept. Today, in this lecture, we will be talking about the objectivity and utility of accounting standard. Also, we will see the list of accounting standard issued by ICAI. Chapter 7 Accounting Standard Concept and Objectives. Objectives and utility of accounting standard and accounting standard issued by ICAI. That is what a list of such accounting standards. Objective number 1. The objective of setting accounting standard is to bring uniformity in accounting policies and practices and to ensure transparency, consistency, and comparability. Friends, while discussing the meaning, we have seen this. There are different practices allowed in accounting, and because of that, if two firms doing similar kind of business have adopted different practices, then their account will not be comparable. So their accounting standard works which provide a guideline to prepare accounts to such kind of industries. So because of that, uniformity in accounting policies and practices becomes possible. Second, it is also an objective of accounting standard to allow flexibility of adoption a particular practice or method with suitable disclosure to entities out of various acceptable accounting methods and practices available. So accounting standard is not rigid. We have seen that in while discussing meaning. Changes are possible, flexibility is possible. So accounting standard will allow flexibility of adoption of particular practice or method out of the various available. What else? Accounting standard have objective to enhance the reliability of financial statement among their users. Friends, users means the one who is reading the account, who is analyzing or interpreting the accounts. Now, when users interpret or analyze our accounts, they compare our accounts with some other firms doing similar kind of business or with our accounts only of previous years. So here the reliability factor becomes possible for users because when they come to know that accounts are prepared following the accounting standard, that means the accounts are comparable and a conclusive decisions can be made, right? So accounting standard have objective to enhance the reliability of financial statement amongst users. What else? Accounting standard provide rules and guiding principles for preparation and presentation of financial statement. So they provide what? Rule and guiding principle which becomes helpful to prepare financial statements. When financial statements are prepared in compliance with accounting standard, the auditors have certified such compliance. It enhances the reliability of financial statement. So friends, when financial statements are prepared following the accounting standards, it enhances what? Reliability of the financial statement, because that auditor come to know that accounting standards are followed and the accounts are prepared according to that. So it becomes easy for him to certify the accounts. right? And that increase the reliability of financial statement amongst the users. Okay, so this was objective of accounting standard or objective and uses of accounting standard. Let us see a list of accounting standard issued by ICAI. Accounting standard issued by ICAI. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has issued the following accounting standard. AS1, it is about presentation of financial statements. That is accounting standard 1, Indian accounting standard 1, presentation of financial statement. Accounting standard 2, Indian accounting standard 2 is for inventory. Accounting standard 7 is for statement of cash flow. AS8 is for accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates and errors. 10, events after the reporting period. 12, income tax. 16, property, plant and equipment. 17, leases. 19, employee benefit. 20, accounting for government grant and disclosure of government assistance. 21, the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. 29, that is accounting standard 29, Indian accounting standard 29, financial reporting in hyperinflationary economics. 32, financial instrument presentation. 33, earning per share. 34, interim financial reporting. 36, impairment of asset. 37, provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent asset. 38, intangible asset. 40, investment property. 41, agriculture. 101, first time adoption of Indian accounting standard. 102, share based payment. 103, business combinations. 104, insurance contracts. 105, non-current asset held for sale and discontinued operation. 106, exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources. 107, financial instruments disclosure. 32, operating segments. Not 32, 108. 109, financial instruments. 110, consolidated financial statement. 111, that is accounting standard 111, joint agreement. Then accounting standard 112, it is about the disclosure of interest in other entities. So friends, this was all about the objective and the list of accounting standard issued by ICAI. So here this chapter comes to an end. From next lecture we will start with the new chapter number 8, Deshi Nama system. Thank you.